Picture yourself in the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your adventurous spirit to the pinnacle of elegance and power in this Lincoln Navigator, the full-size luxury SUV that knows no limits. Meticulously crafted to prioritize passenger comfort and endowed with powerful towing capability, this 3-row expedition machine does it all in premium style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel calm and confident wherever the journey takes you in this exceptional Navigator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.